EWA 2024, we're at Revo Arms. We're looking at a new PCC with my buddy Simone. You guys have seen him over the years on TFBTV Showtime. One of my favorite presenters. I love it. The energy, the knowledge, it's great. Talk to me about this new PCC that you guys are doing.
Yes, hi Guy. After the ES9, we present the AR9. It's an AR platform with 9mm. 9mm we use short stroke, so only 50mm. Is totally machining by CNC, and we start of a billet completely full. So
Is this
not forged? It's completely machining.
Is this a straight blowback gun?
Yes, this is in 770 T6 Ergal.
Okay.
The name is Ergal of this type of aluminum.
Okay.
It's the strong aluminum that there is.
So the recoil system, it's
Yes.
just straight blowback, not a piston system.
No. And there is only the left level for the recoil.
Okay.
There isn't the back.
All right, well, talk to me. We'll go from maybe the front to the back. Show me all the features, please.
Okay, this type is the competition type. So we have a carbon fiber hand grip. Our compensator, we study and project and build directly in our factory.
How long is the barrel?
This one can have 8, 12, and 60.
Okay.
16, sorry.
No, that's fine. And the handguard is also going to come in different lengths, I imagine, as well,
Yes,
right?
the normal handguard is in Ergal. There is the last time.
I see.
Okay, this type has trigger competition.
It's like 3.5 pounds.
Yes, I think.
Maybe even lighter, yeah.
Okay, and special part is the left.
Right.
So we have
your magazine well, yes.
Yes. It's not symmetric respect the right part.
Right. So it's ergonomically designed where if I'm right-handed, I'm going to be using my left hand to put a magazine, and I've got more space here and almost like a funnel.
Exactly.
Okay.
And we have a very
wide. That's, we call that, we say a flared magazine well. Flared magazine well, yeah. Now talk to me about the lower. Is this a regular AR-15? I mean, I understand it's milled and it's got your special, but could I use a regular AR-9 or AR-15 lower on the upper?
Yes, it's totally mil-spec, this one.
Okay, totally mil-spec. This one, of course, is your special design.
Yes.
But if I wanted to, if I had the upper, I could.
Is the same of the other one.
Okay, and then the same with the buttstock,
The
right?
stock is the same of AR-15.
Okay. How much are these selling for? These are available in Europe, correct?
Yes.
Yeah,
1 month is ready.
Oh, in 1 month. Okay, yes. And what is it going to sell for, price-wise?
And the price, and user?
Yes, price.
Around 1,400.
Okay, around 1,400 euros. Is there anything else that you'd like to tell me about this platform?
No, there is the multi-radial barrel, like the ES9, that permit to me to have 20% more of speed.
Oh, so like a polygonally rifled.
Exactly, yes.
I'm glad you mentioned that.
Yes.
Right, so you get additional velocity from a polygonally rifled barrel instead of a conventionally rifled barrel.
Yes, and it's very easy to clean.
Okay, and this is geared towards competition shooters. Is this the best 9mm PCC for competition currently made in Europe, Simone?
Yes, this one. This one.
Yeah, of course it is.
Obviously.
Simone, thank you so much. It's always great having you on the program. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from EWA 2024.